Today, I am reviewing Auertech Portable Washing Machine 28 pounds Twin Tub. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been searching for a compact, powerful, and highly efficient laundry solution that doesn't take up much space, then the Auertech Portable Washing Machine 28 pounds Twin Tub Washer and Spinner Combo might be exactly what you need. This machine is designed for those who live in small spaces like dorms, apartments, or RVs, but don't want to compromise on the convenience of doing laundry at home. Measuring 15 inches deep, 27 inches wide, and 32 inches high, it's compact enough to fit in small bathrooms, closets, or laundry corners, yet it still offers a surprisingly large 28-pound capacity. That's split between an 18-pound washer tub and a 10-pound spin dryer tub, allowing you to wash and spin clothes at the same time. One of the highlights of this machine is its powerful 1300 RPM motor. Despite its small size, it delivers efficient and thorough cleaning. You'll find that clothes come out fresh, and with the included transparent lid, you can actually watch the washing and spinning process in real time. What makes it even better is its water-saving performance. The Auertech washer is designed to be energy efficient and consume less water compared to traditional washing machines, making it both eco-friendly and budget-friendly. Another standout feature is the drain pump and adjustable inlet hose. With the pump built in, you don't need to worry about struggling with draining water, even if your setup requires pumping it to a higher position. It's designed to give you flexibility and ease of use, which is especially important in places like RVs or apartments where drainage might not always be simple. Operating this washer is incredibly straightforward. The three easy-to-use control knobs allow you to set your washing time, choose the washing mode, and set the spinning duration. Since it's a semi-automatic washer, you maintain control without the complexity of modern digital machines. There's even a lint filter included, which helps catch small particles and keeps your clothes looking cleaner. With its timed wash and spin cycles, you can get your laundry done in just a few simple steps. Durability and safety are also a big focus. The machine is made of sturdy polypropylene material, which is lightweight but strong enough for long-term use. It also features motor overheat protection, which automatically shuts the machine off if the motor reaches a certain temperature, preventing damage and extending the life of the washer. The motor will safely restart once it cools down, giving you peace of mind. Now, there are a few important usage tips to keep in mind. First, avoid overloading the washer or spinner, as this can trigger the overheating protection or cause imbalance. Second, make sure the spinner is balanced, otherwise, it might hit the sides and stop. Third, always check that the drain hose isn't clogged or bent, as that can prevent proper drainage. Finally, keep the drain height below 45 inches for the best performance. In terms of performance, users love how quickly it handles laundry. A small load of clothes can be washed in about 15 minutes and spun nearly dry in another 5 minutes, making it a real time saver. It won't completely replace a full-sized washing machine if you have a large family, but for individuals, couples, or even as a backup solution, it works wonderfully. When it comes to aesthetics, the washer features a white and blue finish with a simple, clean design. It doesn't look bulky or out of place, and because it's lightweight at only 31 pounds, you can easily move it when needed. Whether you're using it daily in a small apartment or occasionally in an RV, portability is a big plus. And here's something worth noting. This model has gained a strong reputation online. With over 3,000 customer reviews and an impressive 4.2 out of 5-star rating, it's consistently praised for its performance, durability, and value. In fact, it ranks among the best-selling washing machines on Amazon, which speaks to its popularity and reliability. To sum it all up, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine 28 pounds Twin Tub is a fantastic balance of compact design, large capacity, powerful performance, and user-friendly features. If you're someone who needs a reliable laundry solution without the bulk of a traditional washing machine, this unit is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, or even as a secondary washer for smaller loads at home. The Auertech Twin Tub Washer delivers where it matters: capacity, performance, and ease of use, all in a compact form. It's affordable, efficient, and highly practical. If convenience and portability are at the top of your list, this washer could be the perfect fit for your lifestyle.